Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's my pleasure to have such a wonderful audience. Thank you very much for your patience to hear me in this video, in this program. I brought the topic skill. There is jhagda, there is the conflict in individual performance that skill works out or your behavioral competency works out. What is the effective tool in the performance, in the individual performance for high productivity? For high productivity. Because aim of any employer is to get best out of each individual on per day basis, and per day is of 8 hours. So it is very scientific thought that does skill plays the vital role or does behavioral competency plays the vital role? No doubt, skill is very much important to perform the work, because if you are not having domain knowledge means skill है तो हमें जो करना चाहिए वो हम कर सकते हैं. Otherwise we will be hanky and panky here and there in our approach. तो skill is required. It may be technical side, full skill is required. Technical skill is required. It is the commercial side, then it is the skill is required. Take the example commercial side. Technical side it is clear that हमें अगर एक टेक्नीशियन, एक इलेक्ट्रीशियन, एक क्वालिटी का पर्सन, एक प्रोडक्शन का बंदा तभी तक अपना काम कर सकता है जब उसके पास पर्टिकुलर या नीडेड स्किल्स है. When he is equipped with the skill, तभी वो पैनर, स्क्रू ड्राइवर, हेक्सा एंड अदर मशीन्स को इस्तेमाल करके वो अपने कार्य को अपने दक्षता पूर्वक कर लेता है. नॉन टेक्निकल कमर्शियल साइड, टेक द एग्जांपल ऑफ क्वालिटी पर्सन, परचेज पर्सन, HR person. You tell me which department you want me to give the illustration. Let's take the purchase department. If you don't know the specification of the material, you cannot work. There is a technical specification, there is the commercial specification, and there is so many other specifications. So if you are having these skill to understand the specification, then only you can exercise rest of the skill to complete the purchase system, and you can thus remain in the purchase. Accounts, primary books of account, skill is required to be written. It is knowledge, but that knowledge is also having skill. Trial balance, profit and loss account, party account, reconciliation, all are directly or indirectly connected to the skill, and if you know, then you can perform. So no doubt, skill is must, primary to perform, but only skill is not important. Please highlight this. Skill alone is not important. What is important is the competency. Professional competency in individual concern is very much called for. How skill and competency differs each other? Skill is the technical, non-technical knowledge knowledge related to the subject, knowledge related to the domain alone, to perform the work. Competency, it is behavioral part is also included into that. What is your leadership quality? Behavioral science now start here. What is your leadership quality? How you take the people with you? How you are smart in knowledge sharing? How you are effective in the communication? How you are able in problem solving issues, grievance handling? How you motivate the people, your team? You may be technical people, you may be commercial people, but you are working either the part of the team or you are handling the team. So how you handle, how you care them, how you adore them, and how you keep them engaged on the desktop and table. How you cleverly utilize the maximum time available to an individual for the productivity. How you care the fatigue, boredom, physical harassment, sexual abuse. How you keep the inside environment positive and workable for the people. When you care these things also, then individual competency takes place. Then it is said that skill alone is not functioning, but skill coupled with the behavior, work behavior, job behavior, individual behavior, group behavior, and behavior which is needed to perform the task also, if takes place together with the skill, then it is the competency. Then it is the individual competency. So skill alone does not work. It is individual competency which enhance the productivity on day-to-day basis and makes the people a best performer. So I hope now it is very clear to you that, अरे टेक एग्जाम्पल, टेक यार बहुत छोटा सा एग्जाम्पल ले लो. एक इलेक्ट्रीशियन आया, काम किया, स्क्रू टाइट किया, ढीला किया, इधर हुआ उधर हुआ, और एज ए लूप वर्कर आया, किया, चला गया. कभी कभी आप कहते हैं ना, अरे यार ये पर्टिकुलर आदमी कैसा आदमी है यार, जो है ना बोलना है, ना चालना है, ना कुछ करना है, ना कुछ करना है, बिहेवियरल शट डाउन. ही नोज द वर्क बट बिहेवियरल शट डाउन. सो that man is not, he may be skilled but he is not competent, because he is not a leader. He lives alone, he breathes alone, his word is dedicated only to him. He never motivates the people. He is disappointed or he is happy, but it is his own dedicated word. So the work knowledge, having a skill, is not the complete set of competency. Having the behavioral thoughts, as I explained in this video, that those parameters also should work like your shadow. Those are the shadow of the work, and thus the competency its work and productivity increase, individual remains happy. Hope you will exercise these competencies ingredients in your day-to-day life, and you will enjoy the output of it. May I call off with your permission? Thank you very much. Namaskar.